guys, it's day 3. Yay! Smack dab in the middle is hump day. I hope you all had an amazing day today. So this is the look that I came up with today. It's this sultry, smoky, sexy smoky eye. This is day 3 in celebration of my 29th birthday on Saturday. I am so excited. I hope you all are enjoying the mini series thus far. Let me know what looks you'd like me to do, if you'd like to see more color, if you'd like to see some glitter. Comment down below, let me know, chime in, and also I'd like to know, give me some ideas what I could do on my 29th year on this planet, God's spare life, that I would like to do 30 things before I turn 30 next year. So all throughout the ending of this year into next year, I would be celebrating by doing something phenomenal and crossing it off my bucket list. So please chime in, let me know, give me some ideas. I would really love to hear what y'all come up with, and who knows, I would be attempting some of what y'all suggest. So without further ado, let's get into this beat, honey.